How to fix Excel file won't open issues in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can fix if your Excel file won't open in your Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, navigate to your Excel file that won't open. For example, I have a file right here. After that, right click on it and click on Show More Properties. Then head towards Properties. Under the File Properties, click on the Security tab. Under Security, click on Edit and make sure the full control is checked in for the allowed. If it is checked on Deny, make sure to switch to Allow, then click on Apply. After that, click on OK. After that, you can close the properties and try to open up the file again. If this still does not help you, now the second fix is to open up Excel in your device. So open up Excel. Once you have opened up, navigate to your bottom left corner, click on Options. Under Options, click on Trust Center from this menu bar on your left hand side. Here, click on Trust Center Settings. Once you are here, again navigate to your left hand side and from this menu bar go to the Protected View, and there on the Protected View you will see three different options that is checked by default. So here you have to uncheck them all. Uncheck them all of these three right here. Once done, click on OK. Again here, click on OK. After that, you can close this and open up your Excel file again, and that's gonna help you fix your problem. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.